Hello everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and I am back today for another video. So this time, y'all, guess what? It is our first video budget for January of 2022. Can y'all believe it? It is time. So we are gonna do our first paycheck for the month of January. And I am thrilled to have my paperwork done on time. As you can see, we're also going to do some putting away of some papers. And I think we're just going to we'll see how long this takes. I also have everything kind of written up and ready to go for the second account. And then we have just a little bit of cash that has it's just all going in one place. So that's not going to take long. So let's see what all we can get done in about 10 to 12 minutes. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 minute. All right, so here we go. This paycheck date was December sometime, and y'all have to forgive that the cat is having a fantastic time. The paycheck amount is $1,724 plus $1,068, and that equals a total of $2,792. So let's get our expenses down. We have $300 for envelopes. Mortgage is $1,933. Electricity, we put in $150. Student loans, we're paying $50. Student loans were put back on pause, so this will cover the ones that are due and also put a little bit extra in there. Adobe is $25. Water is $100. Trash gets $55. Banfield gets $54. Travel gets $30. Business gets $85. And then we're doing cushion gets $10. Now let's add this up and see how much this actually comes out to be. I feel like this is not going to add up to what I need it to add up to. So let's see. All right, so we have 300 plus 1933 plus 150. Oops. There we go. Plus $50 plus 25 plus 100 plus 55 plus 54 plus 30 plus 85 plus 10. Oh, perfect. 2792. Perfect. Zeroed out. Okay. So with that done, then we need to take 55, which is what actually goes into business. So here's our cash for that: 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So there is our, did I do this right? Yeah. There's our 55 for business. And I actually think I haven't done my business budget for the money that I pulled out for December. So I actually think that I am unable to put this away yet. So let me see. Let me see if I still have that budget income in here. I'm almost 100% sure that I do because I haven't done that one yet. I haven't. Okay, so we're going to actually just need to sit on this a little bit longer until I go ahead and close out. It is the end of December, so I should be able to actually go ahead and get that done. I might just go ahead and do it today, but it's going to take a little bit of time and it's a little late. and I'm sleepy, so I'll probably go ahead and wait to do that. so I will just mark this again so I know where it goes and put that away when I get done. So we're done with that. Now let's go ahead and let's do our second account. Yes, you all, I have got this done and ready to go. So this is going to be in January. Here are my expenses that I have so far. Car wash is $15. Car maintenance is $35 still. Actually though, I think this is the one I want to change. Let me see. No, we'll leave this one alone. Okay, 35 still. Annual is 50. Stocks are 5. Cushion is 5. You know what though? That is not true. I do want to go ahead and change this to 45. Because this will actually be what goes over into the next one. Everything else stays the same. So let's add these together to see what we'll be pulling out. 15 plus 45 plus 50 plus 5 plus 5 is 120. 120. So then we have a leftover of 1178 minus 120. 1058, and then we're going to take additional payments amount 1058. We're going to transfer to D, and that will be 1058, and that leaves us with a total of 1058 and 0 left over. Okay, so for February, let me go ahead and mark already that what February will be getting is 1058. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Already done. Okay, great. Fantastic. So that is it for that. Oh, good. Okay, we do have time, you all. Let's go ahead and add in. I think I can go ahead and get rid of this. I'm gonna keep this one though, just in case. So I'll keep that one. Oh, these are old. Okay, I'm gonna leave these in here. We need to keep going. So retirement information, annual renewal, sinking funds is my next video that I'm gonna do. The next thing I'm taking a look at. All right, savings. Here we go, y'all. Okay, so this is my savings breakdown. This is my savings that I'm going to keep up with. This one has my goals on it. So we're gonna go ahead and take I have savings tracker, and then I have savings. I'm gonna go ahead and use the savings tracker. Let me see. To mark off the section so I know where it is. Let's start savings. So there we go. And then, okay, perfect. All right, I know what my 2022 looks like. I know what my goals are. Well, those were the goals for 2021. All right, so these were my savings trackers that I was using. I'm gonna go ahead and take those out though. Woo-hoo. It was just 2, right? Okay. 2021. This one that I never filled in. And then take that one out and take these out so that it's a little bit more together. And then I have these, my trackers. I should just make a page that says savings, Or maybe get like a divider or something. Make a divider. I've made dividers before. It was quite fun. So that way I could just know kind of where it is. I still like keeping my savings trackers in here, the old ones, even though it's kind of like white. But, okay, so there are, oh, okay, so I was doing where I was putting them in the back. I am going to go ahead and take these out, though. These were for stocks card. Yeah, I can take these out. Okay, so now we're at debt for 2022. Now, for debt for 2022, we have a tracker or something to color in. We have something to color in for the house. We have a new debt-free. And then we have, so debt-free is only going to include the credit card. And should I go ahead and just put the student loans? I feel like I would want to do one of these for like one for credit cards, one for student loans. Ooh, I kind of like that. And then, well, we have the house one already. So let's do that. Let's do like that. I kind of like that idea. All right, so we have our 2022 goals right here. Car payoff. I want to keep just so that I can get that number. We have our debt tracking for 2021. So we're going to go ahead and put these in here. Okay. So we can still keep up with those. And then we're going to go ahead and get rid of, I am going to go ahead and get rid of this one. Perfect. All right, now I just need to decide. I want to be able to write down, okay, in 2021, this is how much debt I paid off. So I'll probably just make another sheet that has all of that written on it. And then here's the debt plan. I feel like that should go first. And I feel like this should go behind 2022 stuff. So then let me put the actual tracking stuff right here. I think I did this the opposite, so I might change this around. I'm gonna see how I feel about it. Okay, it's debt tracking for 2021. Let's put the car right here. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, so now that should honestly be ready to go. So we are all up to date and all ready to start tracking our debt and our savings for 2021. I enjoyed this video and that you all will enjoy this year. I have really good feeling about this year. Do I think they'll be stressful? Yes. Do I think there'll be madness? Yes. But I also think that there'll be a lot of opportunities for growth and change and renewal. So those are my wishes for you for 2022. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.